What's going on, guys? Welcome to another FSD 10.69.2. We are headed back to that tricky road just to see if this update is working properly the way it used to. It's just me and my son. He's in the back seat. So this is the first time I try .2. Of course, actually I think this is the first time we do a night update. Waiting on that traffic, and nice little pull there. Good slow down, and car moved a little bit to the left and accelerated, so I like the way it did that. Something I normally would do myself. All the trash cans rendered. So we can see that it sees the red traffic light from a very far distance. Alright, perfect. And we're going straight through. So I do apologize for my son. He's about to be 3 next month, so he likes to talk. So he's being a good sport though. Alright, we're gonna take this left turning lane. I don't know how good you guys can see the street. I don't think I've recorded much at night. So we got a protected left turn here. And we're gonna turn this.
Who's that?
A car.
Nico! Nico!
We got a red light still. We gotta wait for ours on the left. Okay? There, green, go. Alright, so we're turning. Nice, we turned to the correct lane. The car should start moving over to the right lane. We got about 3/4 of a mile. Just over 3/4. Yeah, it's changing lanes on its own. Alright, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if they fix the blinker. No, still late on the blinker. Did not put the blinker practically when we were taking the left. Alright, beautiful right turn, even in this terrible lighting conditions. Perfect. Oh, I got scared with that car. I didn't see it. Alright, we're at our destination in 5 feet. We got a car behind us. Yeah, car. Alright, so I took over there, and I even think this is way better than last time. So now we're gonna turn around, head back that way, and see if we can do that left turn we did last time. So if you guys want to see that footage, go to Tricky intersection video, which is like 2 videos before, and you'll see me do that weird intersection. That's a restaurant. We turned right here. We're gonna make the car try and take us this direction to go under the overpass and then go back to the post office. Let's see if it updates. Alright guys, I had to get the GPS to update this. Alright, we got it right where we want to. Let's test this out. No vehicles coming now. No vehicles from each direction. Taking a left. Alright, so we gotta be on the left lane here. And then right away we gotta take a left where this vehicle on the left is approaching. So we got a car coming and this vehicle on the left. Looks like we're gonna go for it. Alright, It actually did awesome. Let's see if it slows down here, because that's the issue we were having last time. Alright, it did slow down for a little bit. We'll send that back to Tesla. It didn't do it as like abrupt as last time. Alright. A little fast on that turn. Maybe because I'm not grabbing the wheel, I feel like it's moving me all over the place. Alright, here we got a left turn and we got incoming traffic from that direction, which there's no vehicle there. Commit. I'm giving it a little bit. They do have a stop sign. Whoa. I did give it a little bit of acceleration. Beautiful left turn here. Nice on the merge there. So we're going to take a right turn and then we're going to go back to the post office to see if they fix that issue where the car would sometimes indicate that it was going to take a right instead of the left. And this is kind of my normal test loop. Let's see how it does this right turn here. I still think it took it wide, a little too wide. Let's see if the GPS wants to cooperate with us. There we go. Alright, we're going for it. We're committed. Went all the way in the yellow lane there. Alright, this is where sometimes it wants to go to the right. You see? It's still, I mean, it didn't go, it just looks at it, which it did way better than last time, because before it would actually, 2 updates before it would go to the right. It would go on this lane 2 times and then I had to like fix it, but now it shows it but it doesn't go. I don't know why it does that. And we clearly have a left turn here.
Let's go.
Yeah, where you want to go? Let's see how you want some ice cream?
No.
You don't want ice cream? Look, we can get ice cream there. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. It did really well. I will continue doing more testing, and I had to bring my son along for this ride. So, Oliver, when you're older, you can come back and watch this video and be like, Dad, you really did that to me? And I'd be like, yes, son, sorry. Yep, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you hate the video, just hit the like button too, or the dislike, but I prefer you hit the like. And leave me a comment. I don't know, maybe we'll do some more tests at night. But I am going to be working like 7/12s for the next 55 days, so my videos might be very slim or just on my way back from work to the house. That's probably when I'll be able to record. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.